Are you getting login error when trying to open the Facebook app? Says, login error. An unexpected error has occurred. Please try logging in again. The major problem with this Facebook login error is that it doesn't give any information. There are no error codes or any tips that you can do yourself to see if it goes away. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error has occurred. Please try logging in again. So, let us start. Check your internet connection. Sometimes you have no internet connections on your phone, so simply switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. All you need to do is turn off your Wi-Fi and switch on mobile data. Try logging in again and see if the error goes away. Restarting your device. Restarting your device allows it to start functioning normally. Then try logging into the app again and see if you're able to log in normally. Updating the Facebook app. Open the App Store on your device and see if there are any updates available for Facebook. If there are, install them and see if you can log in now. Reinstalling the Facebook app. Simply uninstall the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Sometimes the installation gets corrupted and the best way to fix it is with a clean installation. Facebook locked your account. Open your phone browser. Go to Facebook and try to log in. If your account is blocked, you may never know the reason why, but it could be repeated attempts to log in with an invalid password, or your account is hacked and is sending out spam posts. Facebook also automatically monitors geographical locations where accounts are accessed from. To get back into your account, you need to log into Facebook and follow the instructions to verify your identity. Facebook may offer a number of different ways for you to confirm your identity. In some instances, you might need to try different methods of unlocking your Facebook account, such as uploading a photo ID. Essentially, this is a way to verify your tagged photos to confirm that you are who you claim to be. So, this is how to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error has occurred.